Does Tradingview have paper trading? A recent study revealed that over 70% of new traders lose money within their first year. This alarming statistic underscores the importance of honing trading skills before risking real capital. Enter Tradingview's paper trading feature, a simulated trading environment that offers a risk-free way to practice and refine trading strategies. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. Contrary to popular belief, paper trading isn't just for beginners. Even seasoned traders use it to test new strategies, analyze market behavior, and identify potential pitfalls. However, like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. One of the most significant advantages of Tradingview's paper trading is its seamless integration with the platform's extensive charting tools and indicators. This allows traders to replicate real-world trading conditions and evaluate their strategies based on historical market data. Moreover, the platform's social features enable users to connect with other traders, share ideas, and learn from their experiences. However, it's important to note that paper trading has its limitations. While it provides a realistic simulation, it can't fully capture the emotional aspects of trading. The absence of real money at stake can lead to complacency and a lack of discipline. Additionally, paper trading doesn't account for factors like slippage, which can impact the execution of trades in the real world. To maximize the benefits of paper trading on Tradingview, traders should approach it with a disciplined mindset. They should set clear goals, track their performance, and be willing to adapt their strategies based on the results. It's also essential to use paper trading as a complement to other learning resources, such as books, courses, and mentorship. In conclusion, Tradingview's paper trading feature offers a valuable tool for traders of all levels. By providing a risk-free environment to practice and experiment, it can help individuals develop the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the financial markets. However, it's crucial to use paper trading responsibly and in conjunction with other learning methods to achieve optimal results.